As a licensed HVAC contractor, these are the biggest mistakes I see homeowners making with their air conditioning system. The first mistake is using the wrong air filter or never changing them. Remember, a dirty air filter increases your energy bill by 15%, and it also cuts your system lives by years. A second mistake is blocking your vents with furniture or closing them in unused rooms. This creates pressure imbalances that forces your system to overwork. The third mistake is terrible thermostat placement. Please, if your thermostat is near a heat source or in direct sunlight, you are looking at 10%, I said 10% higher energy bills because it can't read the real temperature. The fourth mistake is skipping maintenance completely. Your AC should last 15 to 20 years, but neglected systems die at 10 to 12 years. The fifth mistake is having the wrong size unit. Too big unit, it cycles continuously or constantly. Too small system, it never stops cycling or it never stops running. So these both scenarios actually destroy your electric bills for sure. Stop making these mistakes and your AC will thank you with lower bills and longer life. Follow for more HVAC money saving tips. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.